Today I want to talk about FAANG. No, not those kind of fangs, like FAANG. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and this is an opinion channel about money. Today I want to talk about the FAANG stocks. Now, for those of you who don't know, they are Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. So that's what we're talking about. They're all computer companies that are massive growth stocks. Now, a lot of people think that these are going to go up and up and up forever. I just wanted to tell you guys what my standpoint is on it because everybody's got a different opinion. So let's look at Facebook. I don't trade Facebook. I never have, probably never will. They make a lot of revenue from advertising, which is fantastic. But I have personally have chosen never to touch that particular one. Now, Amazon and Apple, I have been a longtime shareholder of both of those. I trade Apple options. Usually I sell a put on those, so I am expecting that Apple stocks will continue to rise in the future. I also am long Apple stocks, which means that I have made a purchase of Apple stocks and I expect that we're going to see company growth for Apple as well. Amazon, the option trading on that is a little bit too rich for my blood, like at $1,300 a share, closing in on $1,400 a share. I tend to stay away from the option side of things, but I do own shares and I started buying them when they were $500 and now they're at $1,400. Their revenue stream is absolutely unreal, and I personally think that we can see a lot more upside potential in Amazon stocks. Let's look at Netflix. My personal standpoint on Netflix is that it is completely overvalued. Trading right now at $273 a share. I feel like looking at the numbers that particular stock should be trading somewhere around the $100 mark, maybe like $130. $273 is way overvalued for the amount of debt that they have upcoming. There's like a $4 billion deficit that they're going to have to take care of by 2020. And I personally am just not comfortable investing in a stock that has to maintain a certain new number of subscribers every single month at a ridiculous pace in order to keep up with the projections that they will maybe be able to pay down that $4 billion worth of deficit that they have upcoming. They just have expanded way too much in my mind. And I don't think that that particular stock is at sustainable levels. So I am currently trading both puts and calls on that. I'm selling both puts and call options on Netflix. And I do not think that that stock will continue to rise as we go through the year. Lastly, let's look at Google. Of course, Google is a multifaceted company. They're massive. They're everywhere on the internet. They make huge revenue from advertising dollars. I mean, you're watching this on YouTube right now, which is owned by Google. So I shouldn't say Google, it's actually Alphabet Inc. is the company that trades under now. But Google is the name that everybody's kind of used to hearing. So am I bullish on Google? Yes. I own positions of Google in my portfolio, and I expect that that stock will also continue to rise. Anyways, that's my opinion on FAANG stocks. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's get rich together. Thanks so much for watching.